Hi, Amy here from Succeed with Content, and I'm super excited to share with you the Guy Gap Goldmine. This is all about this massive audience who is frantically looking for the type of content that they're not finding. And this particular edition of the Guy Gap Goldmine is focusing on this hungry audience who are looking for things like short how-to guides, logbooks, trackers, workbooks, and planners. Now, the main place they're looking for this is Amazon KDP, but they're also searching on Etsy, and that's what we focus on here. So this is a very large audience, and what they're finding is that they're not finding. What they are looking for is not the types of content that is being shown to them and is really not the types of content that's being published. So you're probably familiar with things like self-help planners, and they're really in many cases geared toward women. For example, they have flowery script, female branding in terms of colors and things like that, and that's just one specific example of something that's not going to be a fit for a male audience. And what the Guy Gap Goldmine does is it goes into who this target market is, what they're looking for, and most importantly, how you can easily and effortlessly create this type of content and fulfill what they're looking for and meet the need. And so it's really a win-win because it's an easy way for you to get royalties and make sales with this type of content, but you're also filling a need and filling the gap. So the gold mine consists of a very in-depth guide here, and we're covering everything from the Guy Gap, what male buyers are looking for, what I like to call their buckets, which is basically the 10 broader niches in these particular types of content, how to narrow that down, and how to get your best angle. And we also cover things like if you have some products out there and you want to revise them and how you can expand and build a whole product line. Now, this is really powered by our GPT, the Guy Gap Product Planner GPT. And this is not just some sort of generic tool that is used to just do generic content. This is really designed and built on the Guy Gap engine, where I've put together a lot of research and solutions and things like that. So with this, you're going to be able to take a broad idea and turn it into a buildable publishing product. We're looking at things like specific topics, we're looking at low content products, we're looking at guides, we're looking at turning something into a detailed outline that you can then carry forward. And this is really what makes this stand out, I think, because first of all, there's not really any products out there that talk about this particular gap. And with this, you can really mine the gold mine and get the type of compelling content that these types of buyers are looking for very easily, very quickly, and then get it out into the marketplace. So scroll down, take a look at everything that's included, and I look forward to seeing you inside the members area.